Hey everyone, welcome back. It's 420 Shorty, and today I am out here washing some pots. This is kind of how I start almost every season, is getting the yard ready and washing the pots and getting stuff ready for the new season. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm out here washing some pots and getting stuff ready, getting, I got some new dirt coming and I've got some amendments coming, so I'm getting everything ready when I want to start doing all that. I also got a bag of Happy Frog, and since I'm gonna have all these pots all clean, I figured I'd let you all know that on 420 I'm probably gonna be doing a live video. I'm gonna probably go on around 3:30 Pacific time and start planting some seeds, probably some vegetables and some cannabis, and I'm probably going to have a smoke session with y'all after. And so this will be a fun way to start the new year, I think. I mean, it's the new year of planting anyway. It's the new year of 420. And it'll be a fun time, I think. My virtual birthday party was really a blast, and I had a fun time with that, and I was happy to have all of you attend. And this time I'll be trying to do a little bit more of a demonstrative video, but also a smoke sesh after. Oh, and before I forget, I wanted to let you guys know that the free 420seeds.com has extended their I think it's 10% off if you use the 420 Shorty code. And you just go on their site, purchase some seeds, and use the 420 Shorty code, and you'll get like 10% off, I think. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. I forgot to do a video earlier, my bad. I've been going through a lot of crazy stuff this year. So this year's been crazier than last year for me. I don't know about you all, but yeah, it's been pretty crazy. So yeah, I'm recovering from all that, and I'm trying to get some CBD clones still. This will, hopefully that'll happen, and this will be a great year no matter what. And I think the beginning of this year's theme, at least in the beginning, is going to be how to garden on a budget. And this year I'm going to be starting my plants on 420, like I said, but I'm also going to be using as little extra lighting as possible. So I'm not going to be putting them in and out like in the afternoon and having them have a lot of extra lighting. I'm going to keep them outside even at night and just add a little fluorescent light next to them and see how it goes. So hopefully it'll go well, and they won't just start sprouting up too quickly and having long legs and be long and leggy is what they call it. And you want them to be short and full and then sprout into whatever they're going to be. So hopefully that'll actually happen still, even with the sun being the actual light. I mean, my tomatoes are doing great so far, so I don't know why my cannabis and other vegetables will do anything but great as well. So I'm really excited. This is going to be a good year, even if I have to start out on a budget. Oh goodness. I think the deer are back in the yard. But anyways, guys. But anyways, so this is going to be a really great year. It's going to be really fun, and even if I have to stay on a budget, we'll see what happens. A lot of things have happened in my personal life, and I'm not going to talk about it here, but yeah, so a lot of things have had to change, and we're going to have to deal with the changes along with the season. So yeah, that being said, this is going to be a really great year no matter what changes I have to do, and yeah, I'm going to really enjoy it, and yeah, this is going to be a fun year, and it's a lot of new beginnings right now, and yeah, it's going to be great. And I'm still going to pick the other strain that y'all picked from the last video. Y'all were supposed to help me pick one of the strains from my friend's seed site. And so far, I think it's a tie between GDP and blueberry. But we will see. I'll count them all up right before 420. And we'll see what extra plants I get to do. Whew. So I was trying to have this be a really quick video. And so I don't want it to be too long yet. The one on 420 is going to be plenty long enough. So y'all will get plenty of me then. So thanks for tuning in, y'all. And please like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications when I do another video. And definitely have a peaceful day. And I'll see y'all on 4/20 at 3:30 Pacific Standard Time.